Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Toyota Highlander. First, gather your supplies. A new oil filter, about 5 quarts of 5W30 motor oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your Highlander is on a level surface and the engine has cooled down. This prevents burns and ensures accurate oil level readings. Locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing underneath the vehicle. Now let's get that old oil out. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's fully drained, replace the drain plug securely. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Unscrew the old oil filter and replace it with a new one, ensuring the rubber gasket is properly seated. Now, carefully pour in approximately 4½ quarts of fresh 5W30 motor oil through the filler cap. After adding the oil, check the level using your dipstick to ensure it's within the recommended range. Almost done, start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then recheck the dipstick. Top off if needed. Also, inspect underneath for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. You've successfully changed your oil. For other great deals, including amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.